Hi, I am Mia. I'm just a random person on YouTube. First video. Hope you guys like it. Okay, let's get started. So first I'm supposed to add with 1 tablespoon right there. Right here. See that? See that? By the way, I'm doing supersized science. It's like really awesome. Whole comes with a test tube and stuff. Everything just comes with lots of stuff into a little box. It's like, I'll show you later. Well, maybe someday. So I'm gonna do fireworks under water. So first I need this mixing bowl. It doesn't have to be exactly this tiny. It's just like about the size, like my eyes to my nose. It's like just that tiny. All I have to do is take some food coloring. Food coloring. Take like 1 tablespoon full of food coloring. This is going to be really hard. I'm going to use like a lot of food coloring. I'm just going to use this much, like just that much. That's all I'm using. I think that. I hope that worked. A little bit of food coloring that. Just so you know, if you're like wondering what my favorite color is, it's blue. I'm just using red for the heck of it. Because I do not want to use my favorite color because I know I'd probably use it up. So that's what the bread looks like. So, bread. And then I'm going to mix in with it oil. So that means canola. No, like any cooking oil it says. Use that much again. Same amount as food coloring. Pour that right on in. I know it looks like I'm cooking, but I'm not really. This is just science for now, but I'll move on to like art and stuff like soon. So yeah, it's not just so cool. It's just like the building is something like really weird. See, little bubbles. See, really weird. I have to fill my dropper with the mixture of food coloring oil. Just wait, I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. I recommend not spilling it all over yourself. And also I recommend to maybe be a little bit careful with the experiment. Like, don't go too crazy with experiments and stuff. I recommend that. And also, I recommend stirring this product as you do it. So see, as I did it, almost, I am filling the dropper. What? It's going to be my first video on YouTube, okay? I'm trying to be famous. Not famous on YouTube yet. So, I have to, here's the glass of water. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, it says here, 1, using the spoon, mix the food coloring and oil into the bowl, in the mixing bowl, so that's what I did. Fill the dropper with the mixture of food coloring and oil, so I did that. And now, number 3, dip the tip of the dropper underwater, level in glass. 4, release 1 drop of food coloring oil mixture into the water. What do you see? Okay, let's see. Oh my. Oh my. This is so awesome. I'm having so much fun with this. And please, I recommend doing this. It's like so fun. Oh cool, you can even like lift mixture. Oh cool. See, the oil made like little bubbly stuff on top. Not sure if you really saw that, but I mean, I tried to let you guys see it. Oh my god, sorry. I'm not done yet. So, if you liked this video, please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe down below. Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.